Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you another popular, delicious Vietnamese dish called grilled pork. I'm sure you have tried before. Every restaurant have that. So with my recipe and my way to share today, you're going to save a lot of time. You don't have to do one by one, because today I'm going to share with you the fast way to make the grilled pork kebab. You know, the skewer, so you can barbecue, or you can eat with a lot of dish like deluxe vermicelli, or you can roll to eat with the grilled pork roll, or you can eat with rice, or you can use as an appetizer. So it's a lot of things to eat with that, and it's very, very yummy. Especially with the way I'm sharing today, you save a lot of time. So please join me. Come in and see how good and how fast to make grilled pork kebab. These are the grilled pork kebab, just made from the 2.5 pounds of the meat. You will find it's a very easy and fast way to make these kebab. And look at this skewer. You see, it's all even size, and you're gonna make it very quick with a lot of less time consuming. You're gonna love it, especially with the roll. It's so yummy and so delicious. First of all, we're gonna need 2.5 pounds of the ground pork, 200 grams of the pork fat, and these ingredients: 4 grams of Alsa baking powder, 8 grams of sea salt, 50 grams of sugar, 10 or 15 grams of chopped garlic, and half of the tablespoon of mamacita annatto powder. So all these ingredients we're going to put to the meat. But first of all, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water to the mix before you put to the bowl. So we're going to mix all the ingredients and pour to the meat. After that, we're gonna mix well everything together. Make sure everything sticks together, and then you can try to do few times to slam the meat, from top to and slam down to the bowl. Just few times to make sure the textures will be more chewy, more better at the end. We divide the meat into 3 small packages and put in the fridge overnight. After that, the next day, we bring it out and cut into the small pieces. Now it's time to grind the meat. We're gonna use a small amount of the meat each time to grind it. We always keep the meat nice cold. Okay, so that's why we could do a small portion. After a few turns of the blade, we're gonna spread the meat out to help the machine to move faster, or to prevent the machine getting hot. Because if the machine getting hot, the meat gonna be hot and gonna be warm, so it's not chewy. The textures won't be good. So that's why we always keep the meat nice and cold. So we do small portion at the time. Now it's time to divide the meat into 3 parts. So each of them will be 2 full cup of the meat. Okay, you will see why I divide by 3 parts in a minute. So 2 full cup of the meat, and then after that you slam down the meat to the cutting board for few times to get better textures. So just few times, don't need to do that much. Okay, now it's come to the fun part. So we take one portion and put on top of the plastic wrap, fold it one side and measure about less than the palm. Okay, and fold it at the other side. Alright, and the horizontal and the length, we're gonna measure about 2 of your palm, like not completely your palm length, just a little bit less. Okay, and fold it both ends. Okay, now try to press the meat down and squeeze down to 4 corners, flat everything, as flat as you can, so make sure the surface is all even. And the more is even the surface, then the more even of the skewer you're gonna get. So make sure all nice and flat. Alright? Okay, and after that we unwrap the plastic, and we're gonna use the stick to make skewer. Okay, so from the right side we start to put the stick from this bottom to the top. So just try to space them out as you just using your eye, and keep it in mind that the closer of the stick you place, the smaller of the skewer you're gonna get. So just do like that. See, you just use your eyes to put it through, and then you do one time and you know how big and how small it's gonna get. After that, just use the scraper and cut it out. See, just like that. Because after, at the end, you're gonna smooth the skewer with a little oil. That's it, we're done. It's very fast and it's very even, not 100%, but it's very nice, fast, and it's a lot less time consuming. So, see, look at that. You just smooth it out with a little oil in your hand, and that's it. Now it's time to make the meatball skewer. So we're gonna divide same thing, but the width gonna be narrower because we want the meat thicker to make to the ball. So just divide it and stick it up one each time, and then make to the round ball. That's all. Now it's time to grill the meat. You can grill the meat by the any kind of the equipment, like you can barbecue it, or you can do anything you can use to do at home. You can use it. Mine is the 2-size grill, so it's very easy and very convenient, very fast to cook. All you do, just put it down a few minutes, turn it a little bit at the other side, and that's it, we're done. Look at how delicious is the. So now it's time to cook for the meatball skewer. So now it's time to wrap the grilled pork. This is the brand name of the rice paper I use. It's very good. And this is the brand name of the crunchy part we use to wrap. After you fold it the side like this and just fried it, and then let it cool down, and then you can just put in the plastic bag, and then you can just leave it outside, and then anytime you use it, you have it. Okay, so we're gonna wrap the grilled pork in a roll. So put the lettuce, put the veggie, whatever you prefer, cucumber, bean sprout, mint, any kind of veggie you like. Okay, then you're gonna put the crunchy piece in there. Grilled pork roll have to have this crunchy part. This will add the extra flavor into the roll. You're not gonna believe it, but you have to have that. So you place the skewer in there. You see, one side of the skewer is just fit perfect in a roll. Now it's time to make the dipping sauce. So first of all, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of the sticky rice. Afterwards, we bring it to boil with 1 cup of water, and then turn down low to the heat, and then cover the lid and let it cook. I'm gonna use 130 grams for each today, but you can reduce to your family's whatever you need. So we're gonna add some oil and garlic at first. So after that, we're gonna use the mini food processor to grind the shrimp, the pork, and the sticky rice was cooked. Okay, just grind it few times, and then it will be done. So after done, we bring the start to the stove and add 1 3/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 1 3/4 cup of the creamy peanut butter, add half cup of water. Okay, then stir them up. Stir them up nicely. Okay. Now you can add 2 teaspoons of annatto oil to make the colorful, to make the color look nicer. Then now you can taste to final. Okay, I added on more 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, but it's up to you. You can test and you can add or reduce whatever you prefer. Alright, now the sauce is ready. So now it's come to the hoisin sauce, the peanut hoisin sauce. Again, put some oil, fry some garlic, and the method I'm using is 1-1-3, meaning is 1 hoisin sauce, 1 creamy peanut butter sauce, and 3 water. So 1-1-3. This is the mix I'm used. It's very nice, very good. You can try, okay? And bring it to boil, and that's it. Very nice, simple peanut sauce. Taste for final. It should be fine. You don't have to add anything. So when you use it, you can add a little bit sprinkle of the roasted peanut. That's it. It's ready. Remember 1-1-3. Look how yummy this grilled pork roll we just made, and look at this delicious kebab we just made from 2.5 pounds of the meat. With the fast and easy way today I'm sharing, you're gonna make this kebab a lot less time consuming. So I hope you like my share today, and will do at home so your family, for your friend, everybody can try this delicious, yummy dishes. Thank you very much for support Lee Dynasty Kitchen by like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again, and hope to see you next time.